Very good morning from Dubai. I am about to check in a Sheraton Creek Hotel here in Creek Harbor, Dubai. It is five-star hotel. It's not beachfront. There is no beach, but anyway, I'm looking forward to this stay. I will let you know everything, and I will show you everything inside the hotel and let you know the price at the end of the video. So definitely stay tuned and let's explore. They do different happy hours and it's actually really reasonable priced. Reception is upstairs. Over there in front of us is reception and there is few shops here. I actually really like this decoration. It's like a Dubai style. And they have a Starbucks here. So if you are a fan of Starbucks, you definitely won't be disappointed. They have lots of different options. I'm heading to the pool, and what I wanted to say, the hotel has, I think it's 4 or 5 different restaurants. You can actually access this restaurant even if you are not a hotel guest. Some of them are really reasonable price, so we can come and enjoy some food. They have a lot of options for happy hours as well. So this is pool area. Here is small kids pool. I actually really like it in the shadow. And here is a pool. There is just one pool. It's not really big, but it's enough if you need to pull off. It's closed for some reason. I don't really know what's going on. But hopefully they will open that because I really want to jump there. This bar is open from 12 o'clock. They will open it later on, and you can have lunch here or maybe even dinner. I will see if it's open during the evening, but definitely from 12 o'clock you can have a lunch there. Actually, it looks like they open up just now, so I'm going to jump there and have some time here today. I'm not planning to do anything else, just chill out here. Very nice seating area here outside, and bar is already open. As I mentioned, you can order food or some drinks. They have happy hours for some cocktails. This is just only outside area, there is no more like space or no other pool, but it's enough. Welcome to our club room. It's a massive room. Check the bed. Lots of space, and I really like this working desk. I need to finish some work, so it's perfect for me. We will check a space here. Actually, plenty of storage. Personalized bathrobes. That's always a good idea. A mini bar. Coffee machine. Do we have something here? Yeah, safe. Perfect. Let's check a bathroom. It's really huge. Bathtub and also shower. That's really nice and huge. Wow, I really like the decor, and it looks quite new. Yeah, really nice. A TV and some more storage. A sofa, and there is small balcony here. You can see a view. It's called Dubai Creek. From the other side you can see a harbor. We have this city view, but it's fine. It's nice anyway. Oh, there is a plane. I don't know if you can see it. We are having afternoon tea at the club lounge. There is selection of sandwiches, cake, some salad, and you can have a coffee or tea with that. It's complimentary for club lounge guests. So if you book a room with club lounge, you have access here from 6 a.m. in the morning till I believe it's 9 o'clock, and there is like some snacks through the day. We are again at club lounge, and we are having some snacks here. If you are fan of sport, definitely don't miss this all those British pub. I actually didn't know they have here British pub. It's over there. They have happy hour as well. And check this, they have every Wednesday they have wings day. They have chicken wings for 3 dirhams, which is less than a pound.
There's no bread here, white bread.
Hello, so I already checked out from Sheraton Hotel in Creek, Dubai, and I just want to do a quick review. Hotel itself, it's stunning. Everything was actually really, really good. Big plus, we got a room early. Like proper checking time is at 2 o'clock, I guess, and we got our room at 11, which was actually perfect because we arrived in like at morning at 9 o'clock, something like that. So it was very, very good. Few minus point for me. The pool was really, really small. Uh, there was just one pool, but I understand probably because of location and size of the hotel, it might be enough. But yeah, it was small. And also breakfast, it was so hectic and like kind of disorganized. They did not have enough food, like they did not cook well at all. As you probably saw in a video, lots of trails were empty. They did not manage to fill them up with new fresh food. And it was for both days. I actually stayed there for two days, so like 2 nights, and I experienced two breakfasts, and it was same for those 2 days. But overall, for a price, it was £110 per room for two adults with breakfast and club lounge. So I think it's a really, really good price. Location is perfect if you want to explore Dubai. As I mentioned, it's not a beach location, but it's near to lots of attractions. So if you want to stay somewhere, if you don't mind to stay outside from a beach or like 10 or 15 minutes drive from beach, it's actually perfect location for you. Price wise, I think it's really reasonable. And they have lots of deals for our happy hours, so you can experience that as well if you fancy some drinks or if you want to have lunch or dinner there. They have kind of lots of deals which you can use. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please smash like button and see you next time with another review. Bye.